Hello everyone, so this is Shruti Ahuja and in this video we are going to talk about the part 2 of histology, that is stratified epithelium, non-keratinized and keratinized part. Okay, so first of all, stratified squamous epithelium, where do we need it? Where we need some more strength as compared to the simple epithelium, right? Simple epithelium is one layered and it is multi-layered. So for example, we are having the locations of epithelium are stratified squamous non-keratinized. It is the oral cavity, esophagus, vagina and anal canal. So just to tell you, these examples are very important. Mark a 5-star because in every example of the epithelium or any slide, because these will be asked in your spotting where it is present, and it will be also asked by the the examiners and in the vivas, the grand viva and everything. So the stratified squamous like the non-keratinized epithelium has these layers: the flattened cells, polygonal, basal columnar and the basement membrane. So this is the basement membrane, I hope you can see, and these are the columnar cells with oval nuclei at the base, and these are the polygonal cells with round nuclei, and these are in the center. So the location, the morphology of all the cells and their nuclei is very important, and do make it a point you always make nucleus with a like the purple pencil and the cell with pink pencil. If you do this interchange mistake, then it is a blunder and it is a very bad mistake. Okay, so flattened cells are like these. You can see these are flattened cells and the nucleus is the straight, like just like a line. And for your concept, in areas where stratified squamous epithelium is exposed to increased wear and tear, there is a layer of keratinized dead cells without nucleus, and then it is called keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. But where we there is less wear and tear, we just have the stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium. So let's come to the diagram and the slides. So here these all images are from the white images are from Defoe's Atlas of Histology, just to make it a point, right? So this is the stratified squamous epithelium and this is the part of the connective tissue which is underneath. So first of all, you can see here the basement membrane, right? There is a white I can say light pink membrane, basement membrane, and here I can see the columnar cells with oval nuclei. I hope you can compare, these are the round nuclei and these are the oval nuclei at the base. So why mitosis or in basal cells is written here? Because basal cells are mitotically more active than the upper layers. So these are the polyhedral cells. I hope you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. Like you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. There is more like shape and different shapes of cells are there basically. Next is squamous cells, and these are the flat cells as you can see. So let's just try to find out these things here. This is the lumen and this is the connective tissue. I hope you can see these. These are the muscle layer. This dark pink is muscles, right? And everything is, I can say, mixed right here, but you have to focus on this part. So this is the basement membrane. I hope you can trace it, and these are in the form of papilla. These curved part is called papilla, and here also you can see these are the papilla. Okay. Next is this basal membrane has elongated nuclei. If you can see and if you can just imagine it to be right here, and here you can clearly see there are flat cells with layers stacking on one above the other, and these are flattened cells with flat nuclei. I hope you can appreciate it very well. So this is basically the slide of esophagus, because it is having a lumen and this curved appearance is there, and the epithelium we know very well. So I hope this slide is very well clear to you. Let's move next to the stratified squamous keratinized epithelium. Now in keratinized, everything would be same, almost same I can say. But here you can see the stratum corneum. This is the dead cell layer. There will be no nucleus here, right? There is no proper cell morphology, but only keratinized cell. Like keratin has deposited in the cell, and they are just like lying on the upper surface for protection. And here I can see the stratum granulosum, which is the cells are having rich like densely rich granules. And here is stratum spinosum, like spine shaped spinosum, I can say sharp edges cells. And this is the stratum basale, which is mitotically very active. And this what is this? As written here, papillae, and this is the part of connective tissue. This and here I can see it is the epithelium, and this part is of connective tissue. This is not epithelium. Okay, here also you can see this is the keratinized part. Okay, stratum, I can say corneum, and these are the papillae. Basically these I can see the papillae are there, and I can see the blood vessels here as well. Moving on to the diagram, keratin layer, flattened cells are there, polygonal cells, basal columnar, basal membrane. In the diagram, only one difference, the keratin layer. And from the text, the skin is covered with stratified squamous keratinized epithelium. The skin, or you can see the skin, and stratum corneum is there. So CGSB. You can make a mnemonic and put it in the comment box if you know any. So stratum granulosum, spinosum, and basale is there. And basale is the mitotically active, that is producing the cells at the most rate, I can say. So this was all about the stratified squamous epithelium. In the next video, we are going to talk about transitional epithelium.